Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea or Chelly Moo, and today we're going to be playing around with my hair color. So we're going to be turning this black hair into ruby. So this is the new Curlsmith color recipe in the color Ruby. It's a temporary color styling gel that rinses out in just one wash. This product comes in an assortment of colors: gold, rose gold, copper, this color Ruby, and also turquoise. So if you just want to switch up your hair color, if you're bored of doing the same thing but you're scared to actually dye your hair, this is a perfect solution for you. So without further ado, let's dive in and let's see how this comes out. So we're going to be starting out with wet, already conditioned and detangled hair. This is what my curls look like. I'm going to start by parting the hair where I want it to be, and then we're going to add in the Curlsmith styling gel. Okay, so I have my hair parted on the side, just how I like it, and let's start adding the styling gel. We're going to start out with the front portion. I think I want to add it through all of my hair. Just going to put the back in scrunchie, and let's begin. This product is cruelty-free. It has no parabens, no sulfates, and 0 silicones. It's supposed to rinse with just one wash, and it's supposed to be transfer resistant. So I brought a white shirt, and we're going to test that out to see if this really is transfer resistant once it is dry. And you don't need any gloves for it. You're supposed to just put it on your hands. And let's see. Okay, so look at the sheen on that. It looks very shiny. Let's rub it together. Okay, look at my hands. All right, let's just start putting it in. Definitely gonna need more because I don't see this making a difference at all. There we go. You guys can kind of see that starting to take. Grab another section. Doing this in no particular order. I'm just grabbing sections and applying it. It's very thin consistency. It's not thick at all. And I'm able to kind of just comb through my hair and it just glides on through. And I kind of like the black roots look, and then as it goes down, it gets a little bit brighter. So we'll go for that. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. And then let's grab another section and just keep on applying. It kind of looks burgundy so far, so let's see. And each time I go back and grab some more, I'm just grabbing a little pea dot size. I really like the color so far. I don't know if it's really picking up on camera. There you go. Looks really pretty. Literally lost. I should include that part. No, wow. So this gel doesn't seem to provide a lot of hold. I hope it comes out good. I also forgot to mention that this bottle is only 3 ounces for about 20 bucks. So it is very, very small. So I hope it covers my hair, and I hope I can get more uses out of it. Not just one for the price. Okay, so we have about half done. Let's start with the other side. So this is how it's looking so far. It's a little thick right here, so I think I need to go back in underneath and cover some of the insides. I don't know if this is going to give me that much hold, you guys, but we'll find out. This color is getting everywhere. I have a lot of cleaning to do after this video. Just watch it glide through, just like that. And then I like to also do it like this, so it shows up on the outside. You guys, this looks so pretty so far. loving the color turnout. So we have one piece left. This chunk here in the back. Can't really see it, so hopefully it comes out nice. My hair is starting to shrink up into its position. So I'm just trying to get the roots a little bit more because it's very black and it's not transitioning just yet. So I'm just brushing that on there. And on the edges. Guys, look at my hands. Let's get underneath. So just rubbing it in like that. Guys, it looks really good. Look at that color turnout. Yes. And it's very crazy for something that's not permanent or not bleached to show up on black hair as well as this is. So I'm really, really pleased. And this is a close-up. What do you guys think so far? Comment down below if you would try this on your hair. Okay, so this is how we're looking right now. I'm going to fast forward to when my hair is dry. Then I'm also going to try on a white t-shirt and let's see if it's transfer resistant. See you in a sec. So what do you guys think? This is the finished result. And if I come closer, you can see it came out really, really nice. Since my curls are much tighter coil, it does not define them as much as I would like, so I did have to go over with a little bit of Eco Styler gel. But the color definitely turned out really nice. And it came off of my hands very easily. Literally just water, it came right off. Okay guys, so now we're going to try out the white shirt test and see if anything transfers over. So here's my white top. Let's put her on and let's see if it transfers. Okay, so it's an off the shoulder top, but I wanted to put it up at the shoulder so that the hair is touching it. I can make sure everything is moving. Just want to keep shaking and let's see if anything transfers. So I've seen some videos where people say they get flakes and it just kind of falls all over their shirt. But so far I don't see any flakes. No. Nothing has fallen from the hair, so that's good. Let's look at the rest of the top. So let's go in the back. Pretty clear. On this side, I don't see anything there. You guys, I don't see anything on my shirt. What the heck? That's pretty cool. I'm gonna rub it on here. Rub it on this side too. Nothing. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's investigate a bit better to see if there really was any transfer. So, back in the other shirt. Let's investigate this bad boy. So let's start with the back. It's completely white. No transfer there. Let's go to the sides. No transfer there either. And the front. It's white, you guys. This is a new shirt. Nothing's been on it. It's literally still white. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. So I really like this product. I just didn't think it had the kind of hold that I needed for my hair. But now that it's like super, super dry, it does hold up pretty nicely. Like I said, I did have to add a little bit of Eco Styler gel just to get the hold that I like on my hair. But the color is still showing up very nicely, as you can see here. So what do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I like to do more hair videos like this and just try out some new stuff with you guys. I think that'd be a lot of fun. So if you'd like to see more, definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.